So you're in, you've signed up, we're so excited to have you. What's next? You can log in at any time on any device by going to reviveparishes.com and hitting the login button on top. Once you're in, you're gonna see two really helpful features. The first is a forgot password button, just in case you ever forget your password. The second is a chat feature to connect with any member of the Revive team about any questions, concerns, comments. So once you're in, to start a course, you simply click the course and it will automatically start playing. To download a PDF, you have two options. You can either download it section by section or in its entirety as a book. To download it, you simply click the download button, it will pull up in a new tab, and you click the download button again. It's perfect for printing, it will save to your device, and you can share it with whomever. Another really helpful feature is that Revive remembers exactly where you're at, so you don't have to bookmark it. Whether you stop in the middle of a chapter or in the middle of the section, next time you log in, it'll start you right where you left off. Last step, invite a friend to join you. Revive is totally free, super easy to log on, and you guys can take on these courses together, brainstorm, chat about it, and share it with others.